So Livrite is an impact business in the apiculture and wellness space. We are trying to bring back a balance in the ecosystem, better farmer livelihood through our first range of products, which is basically traceable, authentic, responsibly sourced and naturally inconsistent honeys, which are organic, natural and spice infused. Honey is the third largest adulterated food in the world. Therefore, it's very essential that we have complete control over quality right from the field stage to the processing and up to finished product. So we changed a lot of practices on field. My husband was not very keen on manufacturing, but I took a calculated risk and decided to import an entire processing plant and machinery which works on a clean technology that does not destroy any of the nutrients in the honey. Empretech has proven to be a very transformative experience for me. In a male-dominated society, women are very passive in decision making. After the workshop, I started taking all decisions on my own, knowing that most or some of them would not be, right. But I took complete responsibility for it, and I have not had to look back ever since. Also, everything we do now is time-bound, and we switch to alternate strategy very quickly without wasting too much time pondering on the initial strategy. Livrite has grown by 62% post the workshop, and I actually have tremendous gratitude towards everybody at UNCTAD, because with every transformation of an entrepreneur, they're impacting thousands of lives through job creation and business linkages. My vision is to put our Indian origin products on the world map, but with premium positioning. And I also look forward to forming an all-women-based FPO, which will strengthen our supply chain and at the same time give them a lot of financial independence.